Welcome to WDZ's HotSpot. I'm Jennifer Hooker, Editor-in-Chief, and in this week's episode we have RAD lets blind gamers race to the finish line, trio of satellites recreate 3D solar eruption, Kitty Hawk unveils autonomous flying taxi. Visually impaired gamers have often had to settle for overly simplified racing games or have to sift through tons of extraneous information, until now. A computer scientist at Columbia University School of Engineering and Applied Science has developed the RAD, a racing auditory display which allows blind gamers to play the same types of racing games that sighted players enjoy. The audio-based interface, which a player can listen to using a standard pair of headphones, can be integrated by developers into almost any racing video game, making a popular genre of games equally accessible to people who are blind. The RAD features two sonification techniques. The first is a sound slider for understanding a car's speed and a trajectory on a racetrack. The second is an indicator system for alerting players about upcoming turns. Together, these approaches enable players to understand aspects of the race and perform a wide variety of actions in a way that is not possible in current blind accessible racing games. NASA scientists have developed two new models to see how coronal mass ejections, or CMEs, form from the sun. This was accomplished by combining data gathered by 3 satellites to produce a more robust mapping than one could do on its own. CMEs set off interplanetary shocks when they erupt from the sun at extreme speeds, propelling a wave of high-energy particles. These particles can spark space weather events around Earth, endangering spacecraft and astronauts. Understanding the shock structure, especially how it develops and accelerates, is the key to predicting how it might disrupt space near Earth. The scientists fit the CME data into their models, one called the croissant model for the shape of its budding shocks, and the other, ellipsoid model, for the shape of expanding shocks, to uncover the 3D structure and trajectory of each CME and shock. Their work confirmed the long-held theoretical predictions of a strong shock near the CME nose and a weaker shock at the sides.
In New Zealand, Kitty Hawk has unveiled an all-electric, self-piloted air taxi named Cora. The company has been working on this design since 2010, and now Cora is the realization of all their progress. The aircraft is designed to fit 2 passengers. It uses self-flying software and has 3 flight computers that keeps track of its location at all times. Each system is able to work independently in the event of a system failure. It can achieve vertical liftoff thanks to its 12 wing-based propellers, which can all function independently as well. According to the team, Cora can fly up to 3,000 feet, and each charge can last for about 62 miles. It can also reach speeds up to 110 miles per hour. Last August, a human pilot flew the proof-of-concept aircraft. Now, Kitty Hawk has officially launched the Cora project in order to reach commercialization. That's all for this week's episode. Be sure to check in on Facebook and Twitter and catch past episodes at wirelessdesignmag.com. For the WDD channel, I'm Jennifer Della Osa. Thanks for watching.